It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. So you know, it's quarantine. I don't know what day it is because I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I quarantine all the time. But long story short, I'm about to take these twists out of my head and show y'all a new style, okay? Right now I'm showing you guys my mini twist from day 1, and then I'm showing you my mini twist from day 8. With mini twists, you have to really take your time taking them down because it can get tangled by it being so small. And also, I just try not to pull them apart too much so it can be more defined and afro-ish. You see me taking down my final twist, my last couple of them. Now I'm showing you guys my final results. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for you, girl. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the love. Like, comment, and subscribe, and deuces. Deuces, baby, deuces.